The hell is it doing? Well, I thought I'd take this opportunity to run you through what it's like to contact support. Obviously, Moby's got issues. So, let's go into support. I believe we got to do a live chat, but I bet they're going to want me to upload logs. So originally I thought about just fast forwarding through the parts that were boring, this being one of them. However, I decided to just let it play because you want to know how long it takes to do this stuff. So I'm just going to let it play out. So Yuka camera has water in the lenses. Ignore my fat fingers, can't type. So it starts you off with a virtual assistant. Hey, how can I help you? Tell them my water has camera and the lenses. To help us analyze the issue, provide the correct troubleshooting. Please confirm which model you have. Yuka. Let's go with 3. This is the 2025 model, or nope, sorry, 6. Oh, that was wrong. Okie dokie. Now I gotta get the order number, device name. June 30th, 2024. Alright, purchase channel was Mammotion. Order number, crap. Order number is this typer. Ethan. Hello, Ethan. Okay. Ethan's here to help us. Let's just see. Anytime today, Ethan. Yes, but you can't see through it. Let's provide a photo. Done. You can see the condensation. It won't go away.
In our yard.
To help you solve the problem better. Okay. Gotta blur all this out. Okay, let's see. Order number is dot 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 dot. Dot 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 dot. Yuka 2000, comma dot dot dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. See. Texas. Dun, dun, dun. Did I get everything? I think I get everything. Now let's see what Ethan has to say. Oh, that's not the order number. Oh, sorry. Order number is M. Dot, 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 dot. I gave you the tracking number by mistake. So that's the thing about contacting them. It's a lot of just sitting around waiting on them to respond to you. I'm sure they're going through a checklist, but the fact that I gave them a picture, that ought to help. And I know that this is a known issue. I know others online have said the same thing, that their camera has a lot of condensation in it. Now, I have no doubt that in August, the condensation will be gone because we'll stop getting all this stupid rain that we've gotten. But there shouldn't be any condensation to begin with. So I'm sure he's going to ship me a new camera. So this is the part that people are upset about. They want to be able to call and talk to somebody. I mean, if you got the time to just sit here, it's not that big of a deal. The problem is when they want you to start troubleshooting, right? So you got to go outside, you got to turn it off, turn it back on again. My robot is, this one's way back in the back 40, so it is kind of a pain to get to. And, it's hot outside. I mean, it's noon, so I don't really want to be outside at noon. So the troubleshooting part kind of sucks if they force you to troubleshoot. I'm hoping he just says, hey, got you a new camera on order. So we'll see. If this takes less than 30 minutes, though, that's actually one of the fastest that I've ever done. According to our warranty policy, good. So instead of typing, I'll just hit the little thumbs up. I would hope it would be warranted at least for... When did I get this? Ooh, it is almost 1 year old. Almost 1 year old. It'll be 1 year old in a couple weeks. Okay, we'll send you a return. Oh crap! I gotta ship the whole thing back. Hang on.
Okay.
So they're gonna make me ship it back. We'll return the address once it's repaired. Okay, so that sucks. Okay, I got the box and can get it out tomorrow. Wait for the email. No problem. So I got the email. I don't have to send the mower back, thankfully. They are going to just send me the visual module and let me install it myself.